Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video I want to show you how I made these beautiful bassin coils from beginning to the end. Please stay tuned, I'll be right back. The first thing I'm going to do is to wash the wig, and I will also change the closure because the closure is not neat at all. It's not a good one. I have already boiled my hot water and I'm pouring it right inside the bucket. Next, I am going to add my stimulating shampoo from Mega Growth, followed by the detangling conditioner from Mega Growth also. After I finish adding my conditioner, I mix them together with my brush because the water is kind of hot. After that, I started dipping the hair inside the hot water gradually from the tips until I make sure that everything has entered the hot water. Please mind you, I detangle the hair before I soak it in the water. I allow it to soak for about 15 minutes because the hair is very dirty. Okay, after 15 minutes I decided to wash the hair. The water is cold now. You can see the water very dirty. Please, whenever you are washing any hair, you need to be very careful. Follow it with a gradual process because the way you wash your hair might cause it to tangle if you are not careful. And at the end of the whole washing, you'll find it difficult to detangle it. And keep washing with your shampoo until you make sure that the hair is neat. So guys, please help me to subscribe. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please help me to click on that red subscription box below. And if you're already a subscriber, God bless you for sticking with me. Thank you so much for stopping by again. The hair is neat now. I am going to apply some conditioners. Here is hair mayonnaise, followed by deep conditioner from Mega Growth 2. I have with me here my local coconut oil and honey. Next, I'm going to take 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1.5 tablespoons of deep conditioner, half teaspoon of coconut oil, half teaspoon of honey, and I mix all together. Then I start to apply it on the hair like this. After I finish applying, I wrap it in a zip nylon. I also put it in a plastic bag and tie it just to make sure there will be no air, to make sure that it's secured enough to go through the next level, which is to fill it up with hot water. After that, I covered it and allow it to rest till the next day because it's already late. Okay guys, this is the next day and the hair is completely soft. If only you are here to feel the texture. Here is me brushing the hair. Yes, you need to brush it or comb it once more before washing. The next thing I'm going to do is to wash out the treatment from the hair and raise it way to make sure there will be no trace of conditioner on the hair. The next work will be when the hair have dried. You see this closure? I am going to cut it out when the hair is completely dried. I am done washing and I air dried the hair. Here I brush again too. This is after the hair have dried. I cut out the old closure. Lose some hair from the net that I'm going to use for the new closure. And the net was just tearing as I was losing the hair because the net was very weak. Even the back side has already torn. But I'm going to patch it so that I can be able to sew on it. I started ventilating the closure, though I did it off camera because my battery was low then. But if you want to learn how to do closure, you can find the link below this video. I have once posted a video on how to make a closure. The video is beginners friendly, and matter of fact, it's a very close shot. It has a very understanding details on how to make closure. when you watch the video, you will definitely learn how to do closure. Now I am done with the closure and I am going straight to the next method, which is the coiling method. If you watch closely, you will see where I patch the net. I don't have black net at the moment, so I have to use colored one on it, but I didn't bother because the hair will definitely cover it. Now check the new closure out from the old one. You can see a big difference between them. Next, I'm going to start coiling the hair. Here with me is my water, my tape comb, my styling rollers and my bobby pin. The hair is dried and I need to wet it so that I can be able to wrap on the rollers. I am done rolling the hair, so I am going to cover it with a plastic bag. Put it inside my bucket, add some hot water to steam it. Then I covered it and allow it to rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I brought it out and air dry it for complete 2 days. After 2 days, the wig is ready to go. Can you see that bouncing coils? If you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to like it. Also send me your comment in the comment section below. Just like I always say, your contribution means a lot to me. Also share this video. You never can tell who you might be doing a favor. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. Subscription is free, you know. We have come to the end of this video. See you next time. Bye bye.